Hey guys, welcome back to Spotify channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to use Tinder for a beginner on Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start it. First we go to the Tinder application that you have been to install it before. Tap on the Tinder. And after that, for the rule, okay, there is have the four option in the below of the bar. The first one is your feed. It means the person can show you for the profile. And after that, the second one is all about the feeds. There is have so many of the events to you. And then the third one is who likes you. You can see there is have 11 likes, and for story the person is you can to see it and how to make it to see. You can adjust also the get Tinder gold, but it's free, so I don't use that. Okay, after that, for the fourth one, there is have the message. There is have the message that you match or not. This also has the message from your person that matched you. Okay, after that, go back for the Tinder feeds, and for the next step, if you like this person, you also to swipe right. It means you like this person, and now it's match. Okay, and the second one, if you don't like for this person, you can just swipe left. It's very simple way to do it. Okay, this is a tutorial how to use Tinder for a beginner. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.